Well, hello there. Guess what day it is? It's a Smartass and Sass day. That's right. If you hear that, that's me banging on my box. Probably shouldn't say that. But I did get my Smartass and Sass delivery box today, and I'm very excited. So excited I cannot wait to open it. So, just came in the mail. I just cut the tape, and we're gonna go through it. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's do it. All right, here we go. And in same old good time fashion, what better way or place to do this than the couch? Right, Luna? What do you think, Luna? Should we do this on the couch? Right where you can enjoy and participate in our good times? Yeah, Luna says yes. Okay, let's get it. Luna, don't steal my focus. You love to do that. Luna, you're stealing my focus. I know. Ooh, upon first glimpse, I see jewelry, kids. Hi, Joe. I know, this box is in your spot. Cannot stand. Do not approve. And, hey, let's focus right side up. Mucho better. It really wants to focus on Luna's nose. All right, we've got our Smartass and Sass necklace. You dogs are attention whores. It says, be brave, be fierce, be strong, be an upside down pineapple. Okay. There we go. Oh, how cute. I don't know if you can see it. Stand tall, stay sweet. And yes, it flips. Pineapple. Stand tall, stay sweet. That's cute. And it's gold chain. I'm okay with gold. I know some people only wear silver. I'm predominantly a rose gold human myself, but that's pretty. I'm fine with any jewelry. Who are we kidding? All right, thank you, Smartass and Sass. What else? Ooh, we'll save the t-shirt for last because it's kind of usually the best. Ooh, good time stickers. I like the refreshing beverage. It says okay enough. Love the slow the fuck down. I'm actually just gonna take that and just like permanently adhere it to my husband. He feels like we need to walk 100 miles an hour. He doesn't understand rheumatoid arthritis and that the pain just can come and go. And it's usually when he's trying to walk fast through the store. You do you, love. I solemnly swear that I am up to no good. Truth. I like those. Those are cute. Next. Oh my gosh, procrastinator's to-do list. It's like my life. Now, soonish, sometime. Put everything in sometime. Nope, scratch that. Put everything in never fucking happening. Sorry. Love. That's cute. And it's a little notepad. Yep. Totes adorbs. Ooh, what is this green thing? Ooh, it has words. Measure once, cuss twice. Oh, I see that there's a needle and thread. So I am going to go out on a limb and say this is a sewing kit. Let's see. Hashtag boom. Who's a genius? Who's a fortune teller? I am both. I am neither. I am all. How cute though. That's like a really good sewing kit. It's not like the little cheap plasticky ones that like you usually see at like the CVS and stuff, like a little plasticky thing and a cheap blah. That's nice. Oh, hey, rainy day. Pimpin' umbrella. Create your own fucking sunshine. Heck yeah, my sunshine can come underneath this pretty umbrella. And I'm gonna be honest with you, like, I like this umbrella. It's really cute, and I will probably put it in my car maybe, or ooh, my husband's car maybe. Because in my car, I have a giant baby blue umbrella with chihuahuas on it. And you know, that's the one I'm gonna keep in my car. That's the good one. But this is so cute. this on the handle. Oh, just a nice grip. Nice grip. I'm not gonna open it. I'm not superstitious, but it'll frighten the crap out of my dogs and nobody wants to deal with that. It has a nice string that you can hold on. Cute. All right, so loving this stuff that they've started doing. Sarcasm. And what is this? Warning, blood, intense violence, strong language. I'm going to assume this is a menstrual device holder. Let's see. Oh yeah, I think that's what it is. I mean, it's just some kind of little pouchy pouch. It's got a little strappy strap. The zipping lengths are oddly uneven. Oh, that might drive some OCD people crazy. See, it starts way up there and then stops way down there. But I'm pretty sure it is for menstruation devices of all sorts. Lovely. I am this weird person though. I cannot stand this satin material. Like if my nails were to touch this and scratch across it, my teeth would shrivel up and fall out of my face. I cannot handle it. Am I the only one? Like sleeping bags, can't handle that. Ew, ew, ew. And jackets. Yeah, so this might come in a giveaway because it frightens me. All right. We're down to the t-shirt and the booklet. We'll do the t-shirt and then I'll go through the booklet. I mean, t-shirt's bomb, right? Yeah, I'm not missing anything. Oh, it's cute. I love the color. I love the color. Let me remove from package. Uno momento. And we're back with an open t-shirt. And I'm pretty much obsessed. It looks bluer on the camera screen than it does in reality. It's like the nice light minty sea green. And it says, obviously, I'm killing it. Duh. Which, hashtag truth. How cute. Oh, where's Luna? Hi, Luna. Oh, you're doing dirty things to yourself? That's cool. At least we got it on film. Yeah, I love the t-shirt. Also, if you ever see me wearing these in any of the videos, my Smartass and Sass t-shirts, I am a weird person who cannot stand things touching or around their neck. So every t-shirt I've ever gotten from them, I'm pretty sure has been a crew neck, not a V-neck. So I cut them. Just fun little tip for anyone who loves snarky Smartass t-shirts but doesn't love the color. I'll do one of two things. I'll bend it in the middle and cut it up in a V, like that with the scissors, make it more of a V-neck, or I'll just cut the whole circle off and make it loose around the top, more slouchy, I think is the word. But yeah, I love to do that with my Smartass and Sass shirts. The only thing with cutting the entire thing off is you have to be really good about getting like the straight lines across here. Otherwise, like if it's crooked, I mean, it looks a little trashy. Not like trashy, like skanky, trashy, like you don't know how to cut a straight line, trashy. So anyway, so just be careful if you're gonna cut the whole thing off. Doing the V is easier, I've found. Booklet. And what do we say? We said, it's fine, I'm fine. Everything is fine. Cece, Luna, is everything fine? Is everything fine? Yes? Okay, good. Yeah, they don't know what's going on. All right, so in our book, I solve all my problems by creating 3 new ones as distractions. Gosh, it's like they follow me around at my day job. 5 life lessons to remind yourself to relax. Hey, that could come in handy for probably everyone on the planet. What else do we say? It's fine, but it's not. Yeah, that's life. That's life, man. That's life. Why do we lie about feeling fine? Oh, are they going to explain all the reasons? They do. they do explain some reasons. I don't know. Just, okay, here. Why do we lie about being fine? Let me tell you why I lie about being fine. Because if I said anything except for fine or good, it would start a conversation. And I'm not looking for conversation. So, yeah, that's me. Fun fact, I don't give a shit. Hashtag truth. And hot tips. Oh, hot tips for sewing. Nice. They tell you how to knot the end and how to do buttons and stuff. That's cool. I'm not very craftsy. Say bye-bye to being bored as fuck. That's always a good thing. They show the Sassy umbrella, and then look, you can get a vibing playlist, get your makeup game on. Those bitch brushes that I show in a lot of my videos that I use, they're on sale right now on the Smartass and Sass website. Yeah, they actually have been having a lot of good sales lately on the website for the items. Even if you don't have a subscription, you can still go to this website and order sassy, snarky, smartassy things. Just like one-off items. You don't have to get the subscription box to get any of the items that they offer. Yeah, there we go. Obviously, I'm killing it. There's a t-shirt. Even on my worst days, I'm killing it. Nice. Yeah, so that's the terribly out of focus, terribly stop looking at my dogs, you perverted camera. That is the Smartass and Sass box for May 2022. Themed. It's fine. I'm fine. Everything is fine. And I don't believe her, just as a heads up. There's really nothing like I can try on or put on or anything, which is not as fun. I guess I could put on the necklace, but I mean, it's still just gonna look like this. But necklace is probably my favorite item underneath the t-shirt in this month. Also, huge fan of to-do lists. So I think this is gonna be a big win in my house as well, because my husband is obsessed with to-do lists. Everything has to go on there. Is it on your list? Did you put that on your to-do list? I'm gonna put everything under never fucking happening and see what he says. It'll be good times. All right. Some of these items might be in an upcoming giveaway, so keep watching my channel. I haven't done a giveaway since my very first video, so I think it's about time. Anyway, thank you everyone for watching. Please like this video. Go ahead and please subscribe to my channel. And I'm new. I'm a little old channel. Well, I guess a little new channel. So I need subscribers and I need people to watch. So please share with your friends. Don't make my attack puppies come and get you. My attack puppies are throwing blankets on the floor. Yes, they're quite attacky. Oh, did I wake you? Can you say goodbye? Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Oh, yeah, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Luna, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.